good morning. Or maybe good, I'm awake, but my brain is still loading.
Yes, that special moment when your eyes are open.
But your brain is still somewhere between yesterday and today.
Exactly. Your body says, let's start the day.
And your brain says, please wait, installing morning update.
Sometimes I walk into the kitchen and forget why I went there.
That happens to me too.
And then you stand there like,
Interesting. I came here for something important, but apparently my memory stayed in bed.
maybe our memory needs coffee before we do.
Maybe.
But you know what's interesting?
What?
Those first few minutes after waking up seem small.
But they can actually change the direction of your whole day.
And that's what we're talking about today.
Simple morning activities
Small habits.
and tiny choices that can help you feel calmer, more focused, and more confident.
And don't worry,
This is not a video about perfect people waking up at 5 a.m., drinking green juice, and smiling at the sunrise.
if someone does that every day,
Congratulations!
and please, share your secret with us.
Because today, we're talking about real mornings.
Emma, let me ask you something.
Okay,
What was your morning like today?
honestly,
Yes, the real answer.
I woke up.
Good start.
I turned off my alarm.
Classic.
And then I had a serious conversation with myself.
A morning meeting?
Exactly.
What was the topic?
Should I get up now? Or can I magically get extra energy by staying in bed for 5 more minutes?
A very important discussion.
Very serious.
And what was the final decision?
I got up.
Wow, congratulations.
Eventually.
Ah, there is always an eventually.
Then I checked my phone.
How long?
Just 1 minute.
Dangerous words.
I know.
The sentence, just 1 minute, has created many lost hours around the world.
Exactly.
And suddenly,
Suddenly, 15 minutes disappeared.
your phone is not a phone.
What is it?
A tiny time machine in your hand.
Unfortunately, a very powerful one.
And I think many listeners understand this.
Because mornings are not always perfect.
Sometimes they are sleepy.
Sometimes they are rushed.
Sometimes they start with, "Where is my phone?"
Even when your phone is already in your hand.
That one is very real.
But here is the interesting question.
Why do mornings matter so much?
Because the beginning of your day creates a feeling.
A feeling?
Yes, think about it.
Okay.
If your morning starts with rushing, stress, and confusion,
You carry that feeling with you.
exactly,
But if you start with a small moment of calm,
your mind has a different direction.
so the morning is like setting the first page of a book.
I like that example.
The whole story is not written yet.
But the first page changes how you begin,
That's actually powerful.
because it means something important.
What?
Small actions are not always small,
A 2-minute choice today.
can become a better habit tomorrow.
Before we continue, let's learn a few useful English words from today's conversation.
Yes, because we don't just want you to listen.
We want you to take something with you.
3 words today.
The first word is
Intentional.
intentional means doing something with a clear purpose.
Not just because it happens.
For example, I want to start my morning intentionally.
This means I want to choose how my morning begins,
Not randomly.
not just waking up and letting the day control me.
Good.
The second word is
Routine.
a routine is something you do regularly.
Something you repeat.
For example, my morning routine helps me feel organized.
And a routine does not need to be complicated,
Sometimes the best routines are very simple,
like drinking water.
or taking a few quiet minutes.
And the third word is,
Discipline.
this one is a little stronger.
Discipline means doing something even when you don't always feel like doing it.
For example,
Getting up when your alarm rings.
which is sometimes the hardest exercise of the day.
Yes, some people go to the gym.
And some people fight the alarm clock every morning.
Both require strength. Now imagine a different kind of morning.
You wake up.
And before checking messages,
Before looking at social media,
you give yourself a few quiet minutes.
maybe you drink some water.
Maybe you open the window.
Maybe you just sit and breathe.
Nothing complicated.
Nothing perfect.
Just a small moment where you tell yourself, okay, I'm here. I'm ready for today.
I like that.
Why?
Because sometimes people think changing their life means making huge changes.
Exactly.
A completely new schedule.
A perfect routine.
A new version of themselves.
But maybe change starts much smaller.
One glass of water.
One positive thought.
5 minutes of learning.
One small promise you keep to yourself. Daniel, I have a question.
Okay,
Do you have the perfect morning routine?
of course.
Really?
Absolutely.
Tell me.
I wake up at 5 a.m.
Wow.
I drink water.
Very healthy.
I meditate.
Impressive.
I read 30 pages of a book.
Okay. I'm starting to feel bad about my mornings.
Then I exercise.
Daniel,
Yes?
are you a real person or a morning routine advertisement?
Wait, I'm not finished.
There's more?
Yes.
Okay.
Then I wake up.
Wait.
Yes.
So everything before that was...
A dream.
That might be the most realistic morning routine ever.
Because sometimes our imagination is more productive than we are.
Very true.
Okay, let's make this practical.
Yes,
Let's create a simple morning plan.
something realistic.
Something you can actually do.
First,
The 2-minute reset.
when you wake up, give yourself 2 quiet minutes.
No phone.
No rushing.
Just breathe and become present.
Second,
Drink a glass of water.
it is simple, but it is a way of taking care of yourself.
A small message to your body. I'm ready for today.
Third,
Choose one positive sentence.
something simple.
Like, today I will do my best.
Or, today I will take one step forward.
Because the way we speak to ourselves matters.
Now, let's connect this to English learning.
Because many people listening today are learning English.
And maybe you think, I don't have enough time.
But maybe the morning already has a small space.
5 minutes.
10 minutes.
Even while drinking coffee.
Or preparing breakfast.
You don't need a perfect study session.
You just need consistency.
A few minutes every day can create a big difference over time.
So why is morning such a good time for learning?
Because your mind is usually fresh.
Like a clean notebook.
Exactly.
New information has space to enter.
You can listen,
Repeat.
practice pronunciation.
And slowly build confidence.
The important thing is not doing a lot once.
It is doing a little, many times.
Small steps create progress.
Okay, let's test your memory.
A quick challenge.
What were the 3 important words from today?
Number 1.
Intentional,
Number 2.
routine,
Number 3.
discipline,
Great job.
and remember.
Learning happens when you understand something.
And when you come back to it again and again.
Tomorrow morning will come anyway.
The alarm will ring,
The day will begin.
but you have a choice in how you meet it.
You don't need the perfect morning.
You don't need to change everything at once.
Maybe your first step is just 2 quiet minutes.
Maybe it is 1 positive thought.
Maybe it is 5 minutes of English,
Small actions
repeated with care.
can slowly create a different life.
So tomorrow morning, try one small thing for yourself.
Because you deserve a moment that belongs only to you. Okay, everyone. That was our conversation about morning activities that can change your entire day.
We hope this episode gave you some useful ideas.
And maybe one small change you can try tomorrow morning.
Today we learned that a good morning does not need to be perfect.
It just needs to start with intention, a simple routine, and a little discipline.
And remember,
Every time you listen, you are not only learning English,
you are creating a small moment for yourself.
and small moments can become big changes.
We are Emma
And Daniel,
from the English Journey channel.
if you enjoyed this conversation, don't forget to like and subscribe.
And share this episode with someone who wants to improve their English step by step.
Thank you for spending this time with us.
We'll see you in the next Warm English Talk.
Goodbye, everyone.
Bye.